Weather from where you live.
Well, first freezing fog, a little light freezing drizzle, then it's just drizzle and just regular fog. That will become the issue getting into the weekend. So a little freezing drizzle, freezing fog developing tonight, and then it's just some drizzle at times over the weekend with dense fog at times with ice jams, much warmer weather and rain by Monday. And then we go back to the cold, the snow and the ice next week. We've got to watch late next week as bitterly cold air comes in and warm moisture rides over the top of it for some icing around here. Now late tonight, tomorrow morning, a lot of the area may see visibility quarter of a mile or less. There's more than a half mile at Attica. This is at 7:30 in the morning. Visibility may come up a little bit in the afternoon as the fog mixes out a little bit. So at 2:30, visibility anywhere from a little less than a quarter mile to 3 miles. Then it begins to go back down during the evening hours. You can see the very low clouds, the fog, and even a little patchy light freezing drizzle kind of filling in with time tonight. So be aware of that tomorrow morning. And then just a gray day with fog around and a little drizzle, but at least it will be gradually warming up. Same thing into tomorrow night. And then on Sunday, we may actually see the low clouds break up a little bit and the drizzle cease and the fog break up too for just a little bit of sunshine. So you talk about a great day to get the car washed because all the cars are dirty. They're covered in salt and grime out there. Tomorrow's a good day to wash, not a good day to wax, but Sunday is great for both. I can see the lines at the car wash lined up right now for Sunday. And Monday with the rain, still a good day to go ahead and wash the car if the rain doesn't wash some of that off for you anyway. So this evening, the temperature may actually tank pretty rapidly with some freezing fog developing this evening because skies are clear. Then as the wind starts to kick up from the south and the fog and low clouds develop and a little patchy light freezing drizzle, temperature will start to rise. We'll be at 19 by 11. We'll be in the 20s by early tomorrow morning. A high tomorrow 40, kind of gray and foggy with winds out of a southwesterly direction. On Sunday, a little drizzle fog in the morning, then low clouds breaking up a little bit for a little sun. Kind of breezy to windy too, but 53 degrees for that high temperature as the major meltdown, all the ice jams and the pothole fest begins. Here's the rain coming in Monday with temps in the 50s to near 60 and some pretty strong winds. Then things start to get interesting later next week. Little rain, a few flakes on Wednesday, but then Arctic air starts coming in and then warm air rides over the top of it. So this may be a zone of some icing or a little snow by later next week. That bears watching, but in the meantime, from the weekend to the middle part of next week, a half to 1 inch of rain is expected as creeks and streams go up, and watch for the ice jams. And of course, we'll keep you updated on the WLFI app. Normal high 35 degrees. We'll be at 40 tomorrow, 50s for a couple of days, 42 then falling Wednesday. Then it turns sharply colder. And Jeff, we will have to watch Thursday for maybe some icing around here. That's our next deal.
Still